Happy March 16th, 2023, and greetings from the Northern Hemisphere. This is Danny Zen coming to you live with sunrise number 11, hopefully over 20,000. Hope everyone had a great day yesterday. It's a little past sunrise, obviously, but I promised myself I wouldn't touch a smartphone or electronic device until at least 2 hours after I got up. Anyways, it's going to be a very, very short video. First and foremost, let's be grateful that we woke up. Hopefully we're all vertical and not horizontal. That's veteran. For those that may be struggling with their health, chronic or acute disease issue, I'm very happy and excited to let you know that I have just partnered with Mr. Henry Rollins of detoxproject.org out of United Kingdom, maybe Bulgaria, maybe he think he's living in. But this is a glyphosate test for not just in your body, but also I believe in soil and maybe foods and water even. I don't have the full details. I haven't ordered personally one of these glyphosate test kits yet, but you guys can go and get it. He should be worldwide. He's got a couple partners. One of them I believe is called Abraxas out of Pennsylvania. I'll have the links below in the description of this video. Again, for those that don't know, glyphosate is the active ingredient in the Roundup weed killer, most pervasive herbicide on the planet. I don't know how many tons of that stuff is sprayed on our lawns, food crops, so on and so forth, golf courses, parks, schools, okay? So to get that test kit, get the pricing and all the other details, they also offer some that test for plasticizers and other endocrine disrupting chemicals. Go to tinyurl.com/test for Roundup. Again, that's T as in Tango, INYURL.com/test FORROUNDUP to maybe possibly explain why you're having sleep issues, depression, anxiety, fatigue, brain fog, leaky gut, autoimmune disorder, autism, cancer, so on and so forth, okay? That will redirect you to my detoxproject.org affiliate link. I do earn a tiny commission when you place an order for those test kits, okay? Please share with others. I'll also include the full link to my Detox Project affiliate link. And second of all, if you do want to avoid exposure to glyphosate, do your best to eat certified organic. I'm also going to give you, again, as mentioned in previous videos, my gift code for a Purium company, which is an organic, non-GMO green superfood nutrition company based out of the greater Long Beach, Southern California area. To get that and deliver straight to your door, and even offer something that Amazon does not, or even Whole Foods, and that is a 25% off gift code whenever you order over $75, or you can save 25% when you order over $200, and that's each and every time for the 25% off. Go to tinyurl.com/pure and premium to have low temperature dehydrated real food delivered to your door. Low temperature, I believe, is less than 88 degrees Fahrenheit, which means its enzymes are still intact, so you could consider it a living food still. Okay, again, that's T as in Tango, INYURL.com/PUREANDPURIUM. I'll also have a link below in the description for those that want to supplement or replace their own income with a part-time home-based big business, okay? Hope that helps you guys out. And the mission for my Purium team and the company is to help people transition from processed foods to organic, real superfood nutrition, okay? And again, for those that haven't visited my glyphosate and GMO guide Brighteon video channel, be sure to go to whatisroundup.com to educate yourself about the serious issue that we have on our hands, okay? Glyphosate's so pervasive, it's invisible, and could be the root cause of even pet cancers. There's a huge rise in dog, cat cancers as well, okay? Anyone that's in the South Florida area, if you are free to meet up after we chat, give me a call if you want to just network. And I'm always open to learning new things about biohacking, mitochondrial health. I'm not vegan at the moment, but I was for almost 10 years. Feel free to give me a call, leave me a voicemail at my landline number at 786 441-2727, especially if you have a passion for high-performing buildings. I'm really passionate about energy, green buildings. Again, landline is 786-441-2727. And lastly, again, if you have not already, please watch the video I recorded going over President Biden's new Inflation Reduction Act, so you can learn how low to moderate income households can get up to $14,000 in upfront rebates for certain energy upgrades, or 30 to 50% federal tax credits on things like solar, wind, and batteries, okay? You can watch that video by going to tinyurl.com/one house off the grid. Again, T as in Tango, INY, url.com/ONE house off the grid, okay? And then lastly, if you guys don't want to rush off to work, build your dreams instead of somebody else's, and be able to live your dream lifestyle, possibly earn passive residual income while you sleep, be sure to pull up a document I have on Google Drive titled How to Own Your Life. You can access that so you can recondition your thinking about how to earn money by having a mindset shift by visiting tinyurl.com/I want freedom now. Again, tinyurl.com/I want freedom now. Okay. Lastly, sorry for the late notice, but tonight, every Thursdays until you hear otherwise, at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, again, actually Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m., you can learn about probably what is the greatest business opportunity as far as I'm concerned, because it is not product-based. It helps Americans and U.S.-based businesses get money back on many of their monthly recurring bills. It's a disruptive tech company and platform that I joined and learned about back in 2019. They actually launched in 2018. The company is called VIV. That's V as in Victor, I Israel, V Victor, and that stands for life in Latin. And it's just amazing. It's recession and pandemic proof, okay? And you actually don't have to sell anything, because all you do is help people get money back on their bills, and among almost a dozen other products and services, okay? Such as autopilot energy for those in deregulated energy states, since less than 30% of all eligible electricity customers, including commercial industrial, have not exercised their right to choose electricity suppliers, okay? Other services include utility bill auditing for businesses, nonprofits, even local governments, where they can get money back on many of their utility bills, even trash, water, electricity, going as gas, as far back as 4 years for any overcharges and or inaccuracies. That's amazing. No money up front, zero cost. Any savings that VIV gets will be split 50-50, okay? The more you help others save, the more you earn. And also the other motto is you upload your bills and the company VIV lowers them. Probably around an 85% chance is what I've heard success rate, okay? And you can learn more by visiting my YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/the A or alpha sign, I love saving money. However, that's spelled ILUV, saving money. Okay, YouTube, youtube.com/the ampersand sign, ILUV, saving money. Okay, and the videos, and below the description of those videos, you'll see my actual VIV consultant site, which is greensunshinepower.justviv.com. That's GREEN sunshinepower.justviv.com. If you have any questions, you can also email me at greensunshinepowercompany, all spelled out, at gmail.com. GREENSUNSHINEPOWERCOMPANY at fastest and best service about the product services and or becoming a VIV consultant, my VIV team, contact my VIV sponsor Joe Burney in New Jersey on his mobile. That's 201-937-3369. Again, 201-937-3369. And to join those business overview meetings, again, on Tuesdays, Thursdays, 9 p.m., or I believe it's Saturday at 11 a.m. I'll have to check back. Go to vivnation.com. We'll get you to the Zoom join link, okay? That's V Victor, I Israel, V Victor, Nation, N as in Nancy, ATION.com, okay? See you guys tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Thursday, by joining vivnation.com, okay? Take care. If you have to, text me at 305-297-9360, 305-297-9360. 297-9360.